What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to go over the 5 accessories that I feel everyone needs as soon as they get their Onewheel Pint. So the first accessory I've already put on here. It's probably tough to see in the camera, but it's the rail guards here, okay? It's these plastic clear protectors. And I've already put them on here, as you'll see when I first opened it. Very easy to put on, it's hard to mess up. There's one on the right side, one on the left side. Because this is going to take some abuse. It's going to fall over to the left or to the right. So it's a good idea to purchase these, I believe, if you're going to try to preserve this, right? Take care of what you got. The second piece we're going to talk about, or the second accessory, is the Fender. You can buy this right on their website, on Onewheel's website. There's all kinds of different Fenders you can get. I like this one. Keeps my feet dry. Relatively clean. And very easy to put on. Okay, we'll just go over that real quick, how to put this on. You're gonna need the little tool, little star tool that they gave you. All right, and there's just 4 screws to loosen up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll loosen those up real quick. We're gonna pop off this Fender Delete and we'll throw on the Fender. All right, once you got the 4 screws off, just takes a little bit of muscle, a little bit of pressure to pop this off. There's 1 click. 2. You're gonna slide this right over. Real simple. All right, this is the Fender Delete. Some of you may like to have your wheel exposed. That's cool. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And what you're looking for here is this piece sticking out here. You'll see it's only on one side. This is going to be, this is going to be the front. You can also see there's a little cutaway here. That's where the light bar is, where I think I went over in the last video, okay? So that's how you're gonna know this is gonna go up front, all right? You're just gonna slide it on over the mag handle. Fits on pretty easily. Yeah, line everything up. Should hear a few clicks. Simple, right? Then you put back in your 4 screws. So that covers the rail guards on each side. You got your Fender. The other piece I recommend, it's really small, it's really simple, is the charging port plug. Real simple, real small. But I feel it's necessary, all right? Where it goes is exactly probably where you think, okay? Right where you go to charge the battery, back here. Once you're done charging and you unplug that, this is all exposed here to dirt, water. So it's a good idea to pick up one of these, I believe. You'll see there's a little crescent moon at the top, or wherever way you hold it, but you want it towards the top. That's how it's designed to fit in here. Real simple. That way everything's good and protected, okay? So that covers the plug, or the charging port plug. That covers the rail guards. That covers the Fender, okay? That's 3 out of the 5 accessories I wanted to talk about, all right? The last 2 I already went over in my previous Onewheel video, and that is a good quality brain bucket. This one is made by 1000. Whoa. All right. I thought it looked pretty cool. Good quality, protects what I got left up here, which is good. It's also got a cool feature back here. If you're trying to lock it up, all right, you can pull that out and lock this up to, I don't know, maybe you can take this for riding your bike or, you know, whatever. But that was a cool feature. I haven't used it too much, but it's nice to have, doesn't hurt. And it is adjustable back here. Super sharp helmet, comes in all different colors. I'll leave a link in the description below if you like the way that looks. But either way, recommend getting a good helmet, okay? And the last accessory I also strongly recommend good quality wrist and hand protectors, okay? These work really well for me. I went over these in my last video on the Onewheel Pint, but strongly recommend these. Might be tough to see, but definitely put these to good use. As you're starting out on the Onewheel Pint, you're gonna learn about something about pushback. Check out my other video. I'll leave a little thumbnail on it if you don't know much about that. But these are gonna come in handy, okay? Especially once you learn about pushback, okay? What's neat about these is they only bend one way. They're fingerless, so if you need to use your phone at all, makes it pretty useful. Definitely recommend. These as well. And I'll leave a link in the description for all these accessories. Alright, so that wraps up the 5 accessories that I highly recommend when you first buy your Onewheel Pint. Or any Onewheel for that matter. We got the rail guards, we got the fender, we got the plug for the charging port, brain bucket, and some wrist guards and hand protection, alright? I got 3 upgrades coming in the mail. I'm pretty excited to put on this Onewheel Pint. If you don't want to miss that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification. That way you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you like what you saw here, throw me a like. That helps spread this around. And we'll catch you on the next one.